In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell on Pocket Option. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're inside your Pocket Option account, you first want to select which account you want to use. You can do that by clicking on Trading at the very top left, and then you can see a bunch of different accounts over here. So the one you want to use, you want to click on. I'm going to show you this example with the Quick Trading demo account over here. I want to click on that, and there we go. I'm now inside that account. Over here, you'll be able to see your graph. You're going to go ahead and you want to select whatever you want to trade. So, of course, this is completely up to you. For example, I'm going to do crypto, and we're going to go ahead and trade some Bitcoin for this example. And then after you do that, here, I would recommend you go to the top right and click on trades as well. There we go. Here you can see your open and then your closed trades, and then here next to that you can see basically your time, you can see the amount you want to purchase, and then you can go ahead and buy or sell. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place a buy order for $100 over here, and as you can see, in 2 seconds, basically, it's going to buy. There we go. So I just did a trade, and now as you can see closed, this is what just happened because I just bought $100 worth of Bitcoin. Now, this time over here is basically you can set the time where your trading operation will be closed, okay? So, of course, by default, it's going to be 5 seconds, but you can also change that. You can put more, but 5 seconds is the minimum over here, as you can see. Of course, you can do whatever you want to do for both buys and sells. So, after you want to sell, after you're ready to sell, you want to click on the sell button over here. It's going to basically go ahead, start counting down, and then once you come to 0, there we go. As you can see, you've successfully sold. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.